Sexy wizards, welcome to day 90, the day you graduate from student to full AI engineer. 90 days ago, you wrote Hello World. Today, you have a senior level portfolio, live apps, and a future brighter than the sun. This is your victory lap.
Sophia's crying. I'm so proud of every single one of you. You did what 99% never do.
Today, we recap everything, show your transformation, and give you the lifelong learning plan. No coffee request. This day is our gift to you.
Yo Wizards, Ethan here for the final time. You crushed it.
Olivia reporting. I'll make this finale unforgettable.
Day 1, you wrote your first line. Day 90, you have 3 production-grade AI apps deployed globally. This is the greatest transformation I've ever witnessed.
I still remember my day 1. I thought CNNs were a breakfast cereal.
You went from 0 to top 5% worldwide in 90 days.
And you did it with style.
12 trophies, first neural net, first CNN, first deployment, first debugging win. You earned every single one.
I'm framing mine, especially day 85.
Each one is a senior-level skill.
You're not a junior anymore, you're a force.
Anastasia, give me all 12.
We're not saying goodbye. We're your AI family forever. Daily content continues. Discord is always open. We grow together.
I found my co-founder and best friends here. This community is lifelong.
The course ends, but your journey with us never does. I'll still be dropping spicy code every week.
Download your official DailyAIWizard certificate, signed by all of us. Put it on LinkedIn, your wall, your heart.
I framed mine. It's my proudest achievement.
This represents 1,000 plus hours of mastery. You earned this. Wear it proud.
Day 1, most of you had never written a single line of Python. Look at you now.
I remember being terrified of the terminal. Now I live in it. That first Hello World was the seed of everything you are today.
And now you're building apps that would scare day 1 you.
Day 12, your first neural net recognized handwritten digits. You screamed when it hit 98%.
I still have the screenshot of my first 99.2% accuracy.
That was the moment you fell in love with AI.
And now you train models a 100x bigger without blinking.
Day 45, your first CNN saw colors and shapes for the first time. Magic.
I cried when it correctly identified cat real tears. From digits to real-world images, massive leap.
And now you build vision models in your sleep? Anastasia, remember when cat felt impossible? Day 84, you clicked share and your app went live for the world. Goosebumps.
I sent the link to my mom. She cried.
From local notebook to global app, the dream realized. And now you have apps with thousands of users. Day 87, you found and fixed your first dead layer. You became a real engineer that day.
I felt like a superhero when the weight started moving.
That moment separates juniors from seniors. And now bugs fear you.
Your Day 85 app, image classification plus sentiment analysis, deployed, beautiful. This is senior level work.
I still use mine every day. It's perfect.
Better than most professional products.
You built this. You. In 85 days.
3 perfect projects, perfect readmes, deployed everywhere. This portfolio gets 200K plus offers.
This exact portfolio got me 3 offers in 1 week.
You are now in the top 1% of candidates.
Recruiters are fighting over you.
You didn't just learn. You built a family of 200,000 plus wizards who help each other daily.
I found my co-founder, mentor, and best friends here. This community will carry you for life.
Best group chat on Earth. Anastasia, we're soulmates now.
Your first AI paycheck is coming. $120,000, $200,000, $300,000 plus, because you earned it.
I got my first 180K offer last month. You're next.
The golden age of AI jobs continues.
Your skills are worth gold.
Daily videos continue forever. Transformers next week, robotics after, your chosen path gets 30-day boot camps.
I'm already recording Llama 3 fine-tuning for you.
We'll be here every single day, forever.
The best content is yet to come.
You're now part of the largest, most active AI learning family on Earth, 200,000 plus and counting.
I found my co-founder, mentor, and soulmate here.
Study groups, hackathons, job board, all for you.
Post your 90-day journey, before, after, your 3 apps, your certificate. Tag us, we'll retweet every single one.
My post got 100K likes, yours will too. This is how the next generation finds us.
I'll write the perfect template live. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for trusting us, for showing up every day, for becoming family.
You changed our lives as much as we changed yours.
This was the greatest 90 days of my life. You're all legends, never forget it.
You did it, 90 days from zero to AI engineer. The course ends, but your journey with us never does. Support us, https://buymeacoffee.com, DailyAIWizard. See you tomorrow for the next chapter.
Incredibly proud doesn't begin to cover it. You are the future of AI. We'll see you every single day.
You're all brilliant, beautiful wizards. The world is yours. Let's keep building together.